Welcome back to my channel, AI Money Lab. In this particular channel, we actually give tutorial on how to manipulate AI tools, and we also reveal new AI tools that has come into the system. In this particular tutorial or in this video, I'm going to show you a new AI tools that I've discovered, and this AI tools I'm about to reveal to you, it actually create a video up to 15 minutes. I said 15 minutes. You don't need to stress yourself creating videos 8 seconds, 10 seconds, later go and join them together to make it a full video. In this particular AI tools I'm talking about, it will help you create your video up to 50 seconds and auto or with just a simple prompt. Without not wasting much time, let's go and show you the AI tools I'm talking about. So you go to your browser, then you enter Freaky AI. Freaky AI. Then you open Freaky AI. When you open Freaky AI, you look at the up, you see Get Started, where the arrow is pointing. Get Started. So you hit on Get Started, then it brings you to this interface where they've written video, voiceover, and the design. Now look at where the arrow is pointing. That place is where you paste your prompt. You just type a simple prompt like what I am going to type right now. I said generate a futuristic video of 2050. Meaning I want you to give me a video of how 2050 will be in future. So after that, you just hit on create. When you hit on create, this AI tool itself will generate the script, break into scene by scene, then add voiceover, and it will automatically give you a characters that will create the videos for you. So now look at down there where they've written duration. You see duration. Automatically it is on 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. So if you want to create the 15 minutes video I'm talking about, look at that red dot that the arrow is pointing. You can drag it to the last end and you get 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, before you create 15-minute video, you have to upgrade or subscribe to this AI tool. But in 1 minute, you can create for free. Now you hit on create video. When you hit on create video, then this AI tool will automatically create the video for you. So this is the AI tool I'm talking about. Do well to subscribe to my channel, AI Money Lab, and so that you don't miss a tutorial like this. See you in the next video.